Hello everybody, welcome to the live session by Infinity learned by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to do the distance formula. तो कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में जो सिर्फ दो टॉपिक्स हैं एज पर दी सीबीएसई सिलेबस, एक है आपका डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला और दूसरा है आपका सेक्शन फॉर्मूला फॉर इंटरनल डिवीजन। सही है? हाँ, ये है कि कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पिछले 2-3 साल से आ रहे हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री अप टिल ग्रेड 9 एज वेल। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला। तो उसके पहले एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन इसको ट्राई करो। द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल विथ वर्टिसेस, अगर ये वर्टिसेस हैं तो इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया क्या होगा? ऑब्वियसली इन स्क्वायर यूनिट्स। तो ये क्वेश्चन मैंने सिर्फ इसीलिए लिया क्योंकि पिछले 2-3 साल में कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस भी वो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री ले रहे हैं, जो कि एक्चुअली ग्रेड 10 के सिलेबस में नहीं होता था पहले। हाय रविंदर, वेलकम टू दिस सेशन। आई एम डूइंग गुड, आई होप यू आर डूइंग गुड एज वेल। करेक्ट? So try doing this question. So over here you see you just have to plot these points, right? Just plot these points and you can just try doing it. You see x-axis, y-axis and the origin 1, 2, 3, 0 over here, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 over here. So the points are A and B. This is A over here and then B over here. And C is somewhere 8, 4. So somewhere over here 8, 4, right? C is 8, 4. And you have to find the area of this triangle. If I join these points over here, you have to find the area of this triangle. Sorry. This is not correct. Basically, you have to join it to this thing. So this is the triangle and you have to find the area of this triangle. So you see, you don't have to use any formula. You can basically use half into base into height formula and you'll be able to find its area. What is the base over here? The base is 7 minus 3, 4 units, right? And what is this height? You see, this is the height of the triangle. Can we not say it is equal to the y coordinate of this point? That is also 4 units, right or not? So what is the area of this triangle? Area is half into base into height. So half into base is 4 units, height is also 4 units. So that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 square units. Yes, that is correct, Ravinder. 8 square units is the area of this triangle. Is it clear? So many a times they ask this basic question as well, these basic questions as well, especially in MCQs, and they are asking these questions in the recent years basically. In this session, right. Now you see, we have to see the distance formula, and obviously I'm not taking the proof of the distance formula. Obviously there is proof to it as well, but I'm working as per exactly as per the syllabus of CBSE, I mean, which is being asked in the examination, but the proof is also not that tough, that is easy only. So suppose we have got these 2 points and we have to find the distance PQ between them. So PQ will be square root of the difference of x coordinates x2 minus x1 the whole square plus the difference of y coordinates y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that is the distance between these 2 points. So whether you take x2 minus x1 the whole square or you take x1 minus x2 the whole square, it is same only. Similarly, whether you take y2 minus y1 the whole square or y1 minus y2 the whole square, that is same only, right? So I'll take a small question, a small example over here. Suppose I've got a point 2, 3 and suppose I've got a point 5, 6. Can you find the distance AB between these 2 points? Can you find the distance between them? So try using the distance formula. It's a direct question on the basis of the distance formula over here. So over here the distance between them will be what? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. Let us write it. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. 6 minus 3 the whole square, and that is equal to what? Square root of 3 square plus 3 square. So that is basically, you can write it like this in short, 2 into 3 square. So that will be basically 3 root 2. So the distance over here is 3 root 2 units. That is the distance between these 2 points. I hope it is clear. Right, so it's a direct question on the basis of the distance formula, which can be asked many a times, obviously. 3 root 2 units. But obviously, every time you'll not get a direct question like this. It can be twisted as well. So let us take the other problem. For example, the points, this are the vertices of a right triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, or scalene triangle. So you have to decide that thing. Can we write it in 4 types? It will be the same thing. I guess you are saying that thing, Ravinder. x1 minus x2 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square, y1 minus y2 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. Are you saying that thing, Ravinder? But it is the same thing. You don't need to rewrite that. I hope you understand that, Ravinder. It is the same thing. Yes or no? Yep. Now the points are the vertices of what type of triangle? So over here I will say you don't need to actually find the distance. Again, these type of questions are given for that thing only, to waste your time. You got that? So you don't need to actually find the distance. If you will plot the points, you can easily decide what type of triangle it is. You see, minus 4 will be somewhere over here, minus 4 comma 0, and plus 4 comma 0 will be somewhere over here, and 0 comma 3 will be somewhere over here, right? And then you have to join it. You can join it. You have to decide what type of triangle is this. So you see, the base over here is what? 4 plus 4, 8 units. Is that correct? Base is 8 units. Yes or no? And what about this distance? You see, this distance is 4 units only. This distance is 4 units. This distance is 3 units. So basically it's a right angle triangle. So can we not say that hypotenuse will be 5 units only? Using the Pythagorean theorem, I'm skipping some steps over here. If the legs of a right angle triangle, they are 4 and 3, then the hypotenuse will be 5 only. Similarly, this is 4 units and this is 3 units. So this will be 5 only, right? So you see, this is an isosceles triangle. This is not any other type of triangle. Is it clear? So you don't need to use the distance formula in this question. I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Okay, let's move on. Try doing this one. If the distance between these 2 points is 5, you have to find one of the values of x. In fact, find both the values of x, but obviously as per the option, you have to check out only one value over here. Distance between these 2 points is 5. One of the values of x you have to find. Suppose the points are P and Q. And it is given over here that PQ is equal to 5. Okay, let's see that, Ravinder. So using the distance formula, you can find PQ, right? PQ will be what? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square minus 1 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that is x minus, this is coming from the formula and it's already minus 2. So 2 negative signs will come, right? And that is equal to 5 over here. Is that clear? Now you want to remove the square root, or before that you can simplify. Inside this square root, what you are having? This is minus 3 the whole square, that is 9. Minus 3 square is 9 or not, tell me? And this will be x plus 2 the whole square. And that is equal to 5. Now in order to remove the square root, let's see that, Ravinder. In order to remove the square root, what will I do? I'll square on both the sides or not, tell me? I'll square on both the sides. So over here square root will be removed and you'll get 25. So you'll get 9 plus x plus 2 the whole square, and that is equal to 25. Correct? So from here you'll get x plus 2 to be equal to x plus 2 the whole square to be equal to 16. Correct? Now I want to remove this square over here. So can I not say x plus 2 will be equal to plus minus square root of, you must have studied by now, you must have studied quadratic equations, right? So you'll get plus minus square root of 16, which is nothing but plus minus 4. So two possible values of x are there. X is equal to plus minus 4 minus 2. So two possible values are there. 4 minus 2, that is 2. And the second value over here will be minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. So both the answers are correct. 2 and minus 6. Got that? 2 and minus 6, both of them are correct only. Is it clear? Now you can also realize this situation geometrically. If you want, you can realize this situation geometrically. We are getting two answers. One is minus 1 minus 2 and the other answer is minus 1 minus 6. Right? That is plus 2. I did a small mistake. This one is plus 2 over here. So two possibilities are there. So you can realize this situation in the figure as well. You see x-axis and y-axis. That point is 2 comma minus 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 comma minus 2 is somewhere over here. Correct? This is P 2 comma minus 2. Then we have got minus 1 comma 2. So minus 1, 1, 2. Somewhere over here you will get minus 1 comma 2. And then this is minus 1 comma minus 6. You see this thing? This is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So somewhere over here you will get minus 1 comma minus 6. Have you got this situation over here? So what does it mean? You see, the distance of this point P from this, the distance of the point minus 1 comma 2 from this and minus 1 comma minus 6, they are equal or not? Are you feeling that they are equal? So this is the geometrical situation. Ravinder, see, the class is the class will go as per the topic which is given. I hope you understand. Hi Krishna, good afternoon. Ravinder, because the class will go as per the thing which is already defined. You are asking completing the square method to find the square root. I hope you understand that. So I'll not take it over here. I did it many a times on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. I guess at least twice or thrice. You can please check on the previous sessions, because if any other student will watch the recording, you understand what will happen. They will think that, oh my God, the topic was distance formula and the teacher is explaining the quadratic formula. I hope it is clear up till here. Okay. Now try doing this one. The center of a circle is this. Find the values of A if the circle passes through the point this and has diameter this thing. Center of the circle is this. Find the values of A if the circle passes through the point this and has diameter this thing. Try doing this one. It's a simple question once again. You can make it in rough. Center is 2a comma a minus 7. 2a comma a minus 7, and circle is passing through a point somewhere over here. 11 minus 9, right? And diameter is 10 root 2 units. Diameter is 10 root 2 units. So therefore radius will be 5 root 2 units. Yes or no? 5 root 2, 5 root 2. So can we use the distance formula over here? Don't spam Krishna. So we can use the distance formula over here. So basically, suppose the name of this point is A and this is B. So can we say over here that AB is equal to 5 root 2 units? Yes or no? Now guys, in order to remove the square root of the distance formula, if I will write AB over here using the distance formula, square root will come. So can we not square in the first step itself? Can we not square on both the sides in the first step itself so that square root will remove? right? So this is basically root 2 square is 2, 5 square is 25, 25 2s are 50. Now we can just ignore square root over here. Then I will get 2a minus 11 the whole square, 2a minus 11 the whole square plus a minus 7. You see that patiently, a minus 7, minus is coming from the formula and it's already minus 9. So two negative signs will come and that is equal to 50. That is quadratic equation, right? You have to simplify to solve this quadratic equation so as to get the answer. So let's do this over here. You can use a minus b the whole square identity. You'll get 4a square minus 44a plus 121. 11 square is 121. And in this case, what you will get? You will get a minus 7 plus 9. A minus 7 plus 9, that is a plus 2 the whole square. You will get a plus 2 the whole square. So that will be equal to what? A square plus 4a plus 4. And that is equal to 50. You have to simplify that. Grade 10 students need not. Yes, Ravinder. Okay, give me some seconds. Okay. So from here you can write 5a square, right? 5a square and then minus 44 plus 4 is what? Minus 39a. Is that correct? And then you can do 121 plus 4 is 125. 125 minus 50 will be what? Tell me. 121 plus 4 is 125. 125 minus 50 will be minus 75. Is that correct? Just check it. Yes, I guess you will get minus 75 only, right? See, I'm not that good in calculations. Yes, that is minus 75. Sorry, plus 75. I hope that is clear up till here. Now you can solve this quadratic equation. I hope you understand that. You have to solve this quadratic equation. I guess you know how to solve a quadratic equation using splitting the middle term, right? For that thing, we have to multiply these coefficients 5 and 75. What will you get? 75 into 5 will be what? 7 5s are 35, 5 5s are 25. So 285 you will get. No, 375. And then you have to split the middle term over here, right? You have to factorize this thing. Right? I hope it is clear. Now from here you want two numbers with whose sum is minus 39. So how can we do that? Let's check that. So I guess I have done some calculation mistake. I guess we have to check that quickly. Let me see that. Center of the circle is this thing. Find the values of if this circle is passing through the point this and has diameter 5 root 2. So radius is this. Let me check that. Correct. Okay. So 2a minus 11, a minus 7 plus 9 the whole square. That is correct. So 4a square minus 121, that is correct. This is a plus 2 the whole square only. So a square plus 4a plus 4, that is 50. That is correct only. So this is 5a square, and then you will get, oh my God, I did a small mistake, right? So this is 5a square and over here you will get this. You see this. This is a calculation mistake over here. Let me check that quickly. So minus 44 plus 4a will be what? Minus 40a. Correct. Now this is correct, minus 40a, and then this is 125, then 75. So you can further simplify. You can take 5 as common. So you'll get a square minus 5 8s are 40, and then that is equal to 0, right? So from here you'll get a square minus 8a plus 15, that is equal to 0. Because if you will take 0 by 5, if you will take 5 in division on the other hand side, it will be 0. Okay, let's see that, Ravinder. So from here you see 5 3s are 15, right? So it can be directly factorized or not. Tell me, a minus 3, a minus 5. Can we do that using splitting the middle term? So two possible values of a are 3 and 5. Is that clear? This is the answer. I was doing a small calculation mistake. I hope it is clear now. Any doubt in this question, guys? Right? So this is the answer over here. A is equal to 3 or 5, both will be correct. Now try doing this one. If this point is equidistant from these 2 points, then you have to find the values of y and also find the distance PQ. This point is equidistant from the points P and Q. So you have to find the values of y and also you have to find the distance PQ. So equidistant means what? At an equal distance. It means A over here is somewhat like this, if you understand. A is 2 comma minus 4. It is at an equal distance from P 3 comma 8 somewhere over here. And Q minus 10 comma y. Q minus 10 comma y. So basically these two distances are equal. That is the meaning of equidistant, right? So it is given over here that PA is equal to PQ as per the given question. It is given like this. So you have to use the distance formula. In order to use the distance formula over here, obviously square root will come. You see this square root of the distance formula will come. So can we not square in the first step itself so that we don't need to write the square root, right? So now we can directly use this thing. You see it will be 3 minus 2 the whole square PA and then plus 8 minus is coming from the formula and minus 4 is already there, whole square, and that will be equal to what? Minus 10 minus 2 minus 10 minus 2 the whole square plus y, you see y, and then minus is coming from the formula and minus 4 is already there. So therefore two negative signs and it is the situation. I hope it is clear up till here. So you can further simplify this thing. This is 3 minus 2 the whole square, it is 1. This is 8 plus 4, that is 12 square, that is 144. And over here you see this is minus 10 minus 2 the whole square, that is minus 12 square, that is also 144. That is also 144. Plus this is nothing but y plus 4 the whole square. So you can leave it like this. Y plus 4 the whole square can be left as it is. So you see this will be cancelled out. So two values will be there. Y plus 4 can be written as plus minus square root of 1. So that is plus minus 1. So two possible values of y will be what? Plus minus 1 minus 4. So two possible values of y are possible. One value is 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. So minus 3 and minus 5 are the possible values of y. 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So minus 3 and minus 5, these are the possible values. Now in the question it is given that you have to find the value of PQ. So the distance PQ, there will be two possible distances, right? Two possible distances PQ. Basically if you use the distance formula, PQ is what? It is square root of, if you use the distance formula, it is minus 10 minus 3 minus 10 minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square. If you can further simplify, you see this is minus 13 square, that is 169 plus y minus 8 the whole square. So this is PQ. So two possible values of this distance will be there because we have got two possible values of y. So one possibility will be square root of 169 plus y is minus 3. So minus 3 minus 8 the whole square. So that is equal to square root of, you can further simplify it properly. So square root of 169 and 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 square is 121. So 169 plus 121. So that is equal to 290. Square root of 290, and the second value will be square root of 169 plus the other value of y over here is minus 5. So minus 5 minus 8 the whole square. So you see this is basically 169, and this is also minus 13 square, that is also 169. So it is basically 2 times of 169, and 169 is 13 square. So you'll get 13 root 2 units. So this is the second possibility for the distance of PQ over here. Second possibility for the value of PQ. And the first possibility is square root of 290. You can simplify. You can further simplify. Let's see what is this. This is 2 into 145, right? And you see 3. So you see it cannot be further simplified. You see nothing can be taken as common. So this will be the answer. I mean nothing can be taken out of the square root. So this will be the answer. You can check for any calculation mistakes. So these are the possible questions. Obviously there can be many more questions on the basis of the distance formula. This is not the only question, right? You have to practice many questions on the basis of the distance formula so as to be good at that. And in this chapter, the next thing is the section formula. And for board examination, for CBSE examination, it is section formula for internal division only in the syllabus. Although you have got one more thing, that is called the section formula for external division as well. Also, there is one more thing which is not in the syllabus. I'm using the word not in the syllabus for the CBSE boards, that is area of triangles in coordinate geometry, area of triangles and quadrilaterals in coordinate geometry. That is not in the syllabus, but still you must know that. I mean, it's not just about your grade 10 boards. After grade 10 boards also you have to do many things, right? So you have to understand that and you have to work for that thing. So that's all we needed to do over here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, because whatever we are discussing over here, you can access these things in the form of PDF from the Telegram channel. I mean, in the next 1 or 2 hours, or maybe most of the times immediately after this session. So please don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well. That's all we needed to do, guys. I'm Misbah, your maths educator. We'll meet in the next session. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody.